What's going on, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? It's Dad here from Dad's Simply Cooking. Been simply surviving, if we're being honest. It's been hot. It's morning time, so it's still cool enough to cook. One of my all-time favorite breakfasts. This is my number two spot for my breakfast items, and that is a breakfast crunch wrap. So I love these things. I picked up some maple Vermont premium sausage links. That's what I like to go on mine. You can use whatever you want, sausage patties, whatever. And we're just gonna jump into this. So I do have some tater tots in the air fryer because I don't have any hash browns. So I have a plan to use those in a different way. But other than that, we're gonna go ahead and jump into this. Got my tater tots ready. I got my little griddle, my little Toastmaster. That's what this thing is. Ready. So we're gonna get this nice and warm. So I got my tater tots, flatten them just like that. And we're gonna get these tater tots good and crispy. All right, next up is our Vermont maple sausage. This has a good hint of maple to it and just overall enjoyable. Now I got my hash browns laid out and they're on my tortillas. And I'm gonna take my sausage and I'm just gonna cut it up into little circles. Now, if you've ever been to Taco Bell, there's always two types of different sausage I always get. Either little ball cut up pieces or I get the patty. I like the ball piece. And I'm just gonna cut. Now I got my tortillas over there with the hash browns. I cleaned my countertop off, don't worry. But yeah, hopefully you guys have been staying cool, avoiding the heat. I know we have been the last few days. We got church this morning, so I'm trying to get breakfast made before church. Everybody had a fantastic 4th of July also. There she goes. We went to my mom's house in the afternoon, got in the pool with the kids. We tried to stay for fireworks, but we weren't thinking because I guess they were going to shoot off a lot of fireworks last night because of the heat. We're going to mix our eggs on in. And that way that sausage will finish cooking on down. It's funny, I've been making this for a long time. Actually, since coming up on 6 years. Sherry was pregnant with Axel at the time, and she loved the breakfast crunch wraps. And we had a Taco Bell right down the road, but it was hit and miss, and they went to this thing where they're like, we don't serve breakfast. And I was just like, oh. And I started making this. I'm gonna scramble my eggs up, get it incorporated all around that sausage. I had one of those little waffle makers you buy from like the Dollar General or Dollar General, and I'd put the eggs in it. It's like a little small circle one, so it's like perfect for this. And I just put the sausage and then my egg and then my hash brown, and I'd make these. And when Jerry was pregnant, like, she wanted these a lot. She's like, oh yeah, we're going to assemble. So with this, you have two choices in sauces, okay? Go with the Taco Bell Chipotle, or you can go with the spicy Chipotle Ranch. Either or. I got some bag cheese here. Gonna pour over. Get some of my eggs. And some sausage. And then I'm gonna put some Chipotle ranch or some Taco Bell Chipotle Sauce. Fold, fold. Now I'm just gonna put them in my pan and cook them on down. All right, y'all, the breakfast crunch wrap is done. I did change my shirt to blue because apparently it's red, white, and blue day at the church. We're gonna eat, we're gonna go. So here I have my breakfast crunch wrap. Still, every time I make it, absolutely fabulous. So y'all, I'm going to enjoy this with my family. I love you. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you will, I appreciate it. Stay cool today. Stay cool this week. We're almost done with summer. See you in the next one. Peace.